I'm right now seated into this very beautiful restaurant by the name of the Fisherman's Wharf and chilling with my sweet lime soda, sweet and salty in fact. It was a very hectic day. The humidity of Goa just was killing me. So I thought I will have a lighter dinner, but I won't leave my fishes. So I'm here looking forward for a meal filled with very nice fishes, all the crustaceans in the ocean. In fact, Poseidon's kingdom only. So I have given the order. I'm waiting for the food. Once the food comes in, I will let you know. Till then, you can take a small tour of this restaurant, which is really beautiful and really cozy. So I'll catch you later. The food is here and look at this lovely spread. We have a huge lobster which has been deshelled and then cooked in some wine sauce with some cheese, and then it's just cooked with all the other herbs, and then it has been stuffed in the same shell again and served with some garlic bread and some stir-fried vegetables. So, and of course the French fries we can't forget. So I'm eyeing this thing. This is the first thing I'm going to try today. Along with that, in Marathi we say haurat. I'm very haurat for fish curry rice, basically prawn curry and rice. Coming back, chicken. We have crispy fried chicken with some sweet and tangy sauce. This is something very interesting what I'm seeing. White kismur. I mean, this I haven't seen ever in Goa. This is the first time. White color kismur. I'm looking forward to eat this. And here I have some paneer chili dry. This is for the vegetarian in our crew today. So yeah, this is the spread and let's enjoy. So right now I'm going to start with the lobster over here. I want to sprinkle some lemon on it, but first I want to try it on its own. You can see huge chunks of lobster, white meat. Oof, I love lobsters. Heaven. I can't describe it in more better words than heaven. So this is one of the best lobsters I have ever had. I mean, I like this preparations. I like it. I've eaten it, fried lobsters, grilled lobsters, or even for that matter, butter garlic. But this is something I'm having for the first time. And the flavor of wine hits you at the end of it. The cheesy lobster just melts in your mouth. So just yum. Okay, coming back to the starters right now, I'm going to first try some crispy fried chicken. Okay, some crispy fried chicken. So I'm going to eat it with this sauce which they provide us with sweet and tangy sauce. Let's see. Okay, the chicken just cuts like this. And this, I'm going to just dip it a bit in this sauce and then I eat it. The chicken has its own flavor, okay? It's fried very nicely. The sauce is very interesting. It has a very different flavor. There's Japanese flavors, ponzu and all. It is giving me that vibe. It has some umami in it also. So it's very interesting. The combination is very nice. So yeah, this is very, very interesting. I will straight jump onto my favorite, prawn curry and rice. So I'm going to take some rice for myself. And now, oh, there's a nice green chili also. I'll eat that later. But as of now, it's a very velvety sauce. I think I'll take the chili also. First, I'm just going to try the fish curry, the prawn curry and rice. It's divine. It's seriously divine. It's spicy, it's flavorful. It has a tinge of khatai. It's a bit sour. The prawn flavor is just yum. And the prawns are fresh, of course. and the coconut milk is, you know, the cherry on the top. So, and the rice, it along with rice, it just complements each other. They are like a match made in heaven. One prawn curry and steamed rice. I can eat it any time of the day. Now I'm gonna eat it with some prawn.
Okay.
Shit. And it's gone. I just want to eat this in patience. Wait, before I say a bye to you, I'm going to taste this white kismur and let you know what it is. What is it flavored with? It's very interesting. It's spiced with green chilies. It's flavored with curry patta. Curry patta, you know, it's used in South Indian food. Curry leaves. It's flavored with curry leaves, coriander, some turmeric, and there's some specific taste, fragrance, which I can't catch right now. But it's just amazing. I like this kismur. It's very nice. There are some shallots also in it. The small onions used in South Indian cuisine. There's some shallots as well. So yeah, this spread is amazing. Must try place when in Goa. They have different outlets. Today we are in Kalangut, of course, because we are staying nearby. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Share it with your loved ones so even they can watch and enjoy this lovely food. Wait, how can I leave Goa without having Saradura, one of my favorite desserts ever. I mean, whenever I'm in Bombay, I order for this, I search for this, and I get one of the best Saraduras in my area only. And when in Goa, I can't be missing this. So it's nothing, it's a very simple dessert. It's just whipped cream and an airy biscuit. It may be Mari or any other airy biscuit, crispy biscuit. That's it, sweet cream and biscuit. That's the only component of this dessert. I'm going to indulge into this heavenly dessert. Till then, you keep watching my videos. If you enjoy them, like them, keep subscribing and share it with your loved ones. Good night. Toodles.